Okay, ready?
Okay, yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Flip,
Hurry.
What kind of a
dear.
flip did you just do? Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because you guys requested that I do another baking video with my mom, Momma Mia. So that is exactly what we're going to be doing today. We'll be making a favorite in my family, rainbow Italian cookies. They kind of look like little cakes. I'm not quite sure why we call them cookies, but they're delicious. Also, a big thank you to OGX for sponsoring this part of the video. You guys know OGX. I have partnered with them several times in the past. They have 30+ formulas designed for every hair type, whether it's curly, coily, wavy, or straight. One of their products that I've been using for years is the argan oil of Morocco. It repairs and hydrates dry and damaged hair because argan oil is a great natural moisturizer. It's perfect to tame my flyaways and frizz. To see all that OGX has to offer for you and your hair, click the link down below in the description. Again, a big thank you to OGX for sponsoring this part of the video. Now, without further ado, let's go bake some cookies. We're in the kitchen now, and I'm hanging out with my mom, Momma Mia.
Hi, everybody.
You may remember Momma Mia from a couple of videos. We don't bake together a lot, but I thought it'd be really fun to do more of that this year.
That sounds great.
And Momma Mia wanted to do some Italian recipes because not only is my mom Italian, but she is a dual citizen, US and Italy.
Yes,
we still have a bunch of family living in southern Italy. So this year I thought it'd be really fun to share and make a bunch of Italian recipes that we make. I don't know who's gonna be helping who though. So she's taught me a bunch of recipes and then she forgets them. And then we try to remember them. Sometimes it goes well and sometimes it's a poop show.
Well, it's always fun and delicious.
That's true. It is always delicious. We haven't even started yet. It's gonna go off the rails. So Momma Mia, what are we gonna be making today?
Today, we're making Italian rainbow cookies.
That's right. And it's kind of funny that you call them Italian rainbow cookies. It's kind of more of an Italian American dessert, but they look like a little Italian flag and it says it's a cookie. They're called cookies, but they're really a cake.
Let's get started. Ooh, here's the almond paste. I can almost smell it, but I just want to eat it like Cookie Monster. Okay, well, we got lots of good stuff here. We got butter, we got sugar, we got more butter, we got flour, we got salt, and we're missing something. I think we need almond extract. Bro, I hope you don't mind I started without you.
You already started? What's new? This is your show now, Mom.
Oh, wait, I gotta put something in
We gotta
first.
cream together our butter and sugars here in our paste. Do you remember?
No.
Hold on just a second. Let me get a spatula to,
Do I have to practice my
scrape
patience
down.
here?
Yeah.
Hurry up, don't dilly-dally around.
Dilly-dally.
Chop, chop, let's go. Oh, that's my
Mom,
phone.
turn off your phone. Mom, your phone has dinged like 5 times. Where's my hydro homies at? Gotta stay hydrated.
Yeah, drink water.
I'm literally doing that right now.
Awesome. First, we're gonna put the dry ingredients together.
So we got a little bit of flour in a small bowl and a little bit of salt. And then just whisk together till well combined.
Step 1, done.
Done. Then we're gonna cream together our butter and sugar. So we've divided the butter. This is a smaller amount, a larger amount. You're gonna put the smaller amount in the bowl and Mom, the dogs are getting concerned. This is getting too out of control. I'll put all of the ingredients and their measurements in the description down below. So if you want to follow along at home, you can. Perfect, Mom. Then you're going to put in the almond paste. And if you've never cooked with almond paste before, it's at the store. It usually comes in a little narrow box and it's wrapped up like this. And it's just almond, sugar, egg whites processed together into a paste. Mom, show them what it looks like. I mean, gorgeous. A lot of people use the paste for biscotti, huh, Momma Mia? Mm-hmm. Mom, are you sneaking bites?
Oh, me?
Yeah, you.
Not me. Then who? Not me, then who?
Cookie jar,
Who stole
guys.
cookies
from the cookie jar. Is that copyright infringement? We'll have to see if it's public
Trash.
domain. Mom, the trash is over here. My mom lives here, you guys.
Okay, just 2, right?
But
We just do
and
these
the sugar.
first. No, not yet.
Yes, the sugar, Momma Mia.
Okay, if you say.
You teach me the recipe, and then I do that for years,
Okay,
and then you don't remember
It's
the
coming back.
recipe. Mom, pour the sugar in there.
Okay, sugar.
Now we're gonna mix together at a medium speed until the paste is well incorporated. Then when the lumps disappear, we're gonna add the rest of the butter. All right, let's scoop in the rest of the butter. Here you go. Room temperature, soft butter. That's the best way to cream. Once you've creamed together the butter, the sugar, and the almond paste, this is looking really good. Momma Mia has scraped down the sides of the bowl, and now we're gonna add 4 egg yolks. This is almond extract, even more almondy-ness.
Oh, this is what I've been waiting for.
Oh, smell that. It smells so good.
I love it.
Then we're gonna mix together one more time, and then we'll be adding our dry ingredients. Mix. Look at Coco just watching, Mike. Look at her over the
I
couch.
think she likes almond too.
I'm gonna add all the dry ingredients now. And then we'll mix together until well combined. Perfect.
Start.
Whoa, low speed. We're gonna start on a low speed so it doesn't explode.
Batter's up. And I think our batter's almost done. So we're gonna mix a little bit more.
Okay, a little bit more. So the batter's not up then. Okay, now
Batter's up.
we're gonna scoop all of the batter into a large mixing bowl because I need to use this bowl again because we're gonna make a meringue in here. We've got all of our batter in this large bowl, and now we're gonna go clean this bowl. Make sure you clean it well because you wanna make sure that your meringue mixes nicely. Our bowl's looking good, it's all cleaned out. Just extra reminder, make sure it is squeaky clean before you start making a meringue. You don't want any of the butter from the batter to be in here. You don't want any fats because if there's any fats left in the bowl, it kind of prevents the egg whites from turning into a meringue. They'll just stay liquidy and we want them to become firm. We want those stiff peaks. What's another tip, Mom?
So a good tip to prevent that would be to take some vinegar and wipe out your bowl after you've cleaned it.
After you wash it.
Just to make extra sure it's nice and ready for those egg whites.
Pour the egg whites in there. We've changed the attachment to a whisk attachment, and we've got a little cream of tartar, just a pinch. That's gonna help stabilize the meringue. Let's mix together till we get them kind of bubbly, frothy, and then we'll add our sugar. Once mixed up like this, it almost looks like a bubble bath, little frothy. You're gonna slowly add your sugar while it continues to mix on a low speed, and just keep mixing until you get a stiff peak.
The meringue's looking good. We've got our stiff peaks.
That's right. So we're going to take our meringue and mix it into our butter batter over here. Just a little bit at a time. So the first time I mix it, it's really not going to do much here, and that's okay. So it's just going to make this a little lighter, a little fluffier, but as we keep going, it's going to get better. Just keep bringing me some meringue.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, nice. Well, this is an arm workout right here.
Yeah. Batter's up. So now we've split the batter into 3 bowls and we're gonna color the batter.
So the center one, we're gonna leave plain because that's gonna be white. And what colors are we kind of recreating?
The colors of the Italian flag, green, white, and red.
That's right, Momma Mia. I've got a little bit of red food coloring. Mom's got a little bit of green. Now this is not the gel food coloring. This is the kind you get at the grocery store. It's the water-based or liquid-based. With this consistency, it just mixes better. Then we're just gonna take a spatula, mix by hand in a medium-sized bowl until it's well combined, all the same color.
Mine's done.
Oh, okay.
Hurry up, I'm hungry.
Oh my gosh. Okay, the next step, we're gonna scoop our batter into the pans. It's almost ready to bake. In front of us, we have 3 9x13-inch baking pans. They're all greased and lined with a little piece of parchment paper, and they overhang on the side so that we can pull out the cakes really easily. So now we're just gonna scoop the batter into the pan and using a spatula, make sure it's nice and flat.
Remember, it's gonna be really thin, so you have to make it nice and smooth. Hey, I'm on my second one. Why are you taking so long? Okay, these are looking great, and it's time to bake.
Yep, you're gonna heat your oven to 350 degrees and bake these for about 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready. You can stick a little toothpick in. It's nice and shallow, and if you put a toothpick in and out, comes out clean It's good.
Okay, now we've baked the cakes. We've let them cool.
Yep.
And now we're gonna stack them.
So over here I have a little cookie sheet and it's just lined with some food safe plastic wrap because we're going to stack them together and then let them chill overnight. This is really important. You want everything to be really compressed, really packed tight. Now when you're making these at home, you can just do this in the pan that you baked them in, but I really wanted you guys to see these a little bit better. So I picked something with a low lip so you could really see what's going on. All right, Momma Mia, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick this up and remember, flip it upside down. There we go, there we go, there we go. Nice. And then over here in this bowl, I've warmed it up just a little bit, but this is raspberry seedless jelly. And this is where it reminds me of a little French petit four cake as well.
Yeah.
Because we're gonna spread a little bit of jam in between the layers. So it's a really thin layer. So I'm just gonna scoop a little bit like this.
When I make this, I don't like to use jelly with big chunks of fruit in it.
No, we want smooth,
Because you want a
seedless,
nice, smooth layer in between.
really thin. How's this? Am I going fast enough for you? Put
See,
it
I
here.
kind of have to line up the edges
line it
here.
up,
Pretty
and then flip.
flip,
Okay.
flip.
Oh,
Oh,
there we
perfect.
go.
It looks so good. Oh, batter's up.
Oh my goodness, Momma Mia. Okay,
All
put
right.
the jelly on now, Mom.
Okay.
Oh, I love raspberry jelly. It is my favorite flavor of
is
jam.
so
What's your
good.
favorite?
I guess strawberry or blueberry.
I'm all
Okay.
raspberry.
You're all raspberry. You're
Yeah.
all about that.
Oh, yeah.
Keep spreading.
Okay, let's do this last
Okay,
layer.
here's the last
Come on,
one.
Momma
Now we have
Mia.
to be careful. Okay, ready?
Okay, yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Flip, flip,
hurry,
flip.
hurry, hurry.
What
Oh,
kind of a
dear.
flip did you just do?
Now we have to
Mia?
be careful.
Momma Mia, now we're gonna wrap it up. Gonna bring these sides over a little bit. Bring
There
it
we
over,
go.
Momma Mia. There we go. Now we're gonna
Okay.
take another pan, place it on top. So you wanna put something weighted at the top. We've just got some cans of food. I don't know, beans, peaches. What do you got in here? Tomato sauce? Whatever we had in the
A little bit
cupboard.
of everything.
Crushed pineapple.
Ooh, cocoa milk.
Wait a minute. Is this my pina colada makings?
Well,
Now you're gonna pop it in the refrigerator and we're gonna let it sit overnight. This is gonna help seal those layers together. It's gonna condense it, pack it. So this is where you gotta practice patience, Momma Mia.
okay.
It's okay, it's only a day. Let's go
Okay.
pop it in the fridge.
All right, here we go.
We let the cake sit in the fridge overnight and once it's set, we're ready to top it with chocolate. Mom's favorite. So I've
Batter
got-
up.
Before we pour this delicious chocolate on the top, I want to talk about the flavors going on in this cake. What I really love about it is if you love a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, you like that flavor combo, you may love this dessert. The cake is made with the almond paste, so it has that nuttiness and then the raspberry jam in between, so you get like peanut butter and jelly, the nuttiness and jelly. All right, Mom, are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Now we're gonna leave it in the pan because it gets a little messy. We've just melted some chocolate and we're just gonna pour it over the top of the whole cake and with an offset spatula, just spread it. And it's okay if it falls on the sides because we're gonna cut the sides. Go for it, Mom. Start spreading.
Start spreading?
Yeah. The cake being chilled also prevents all the crumbles. It crumbles less
Ooh,
when
I
it's
gotta
nice
move
and
fast
chilled.
here. I can see
Oh,
that.
you gotta move fast? Here,
I'm
you want me to
trying.
go for it? I can go pretty fast.
Okay, you do it. Oh, wow, you're quicker at this than me.
Now I
Look
like
at
the
that.
speed.
Oh my gosh, you're just zooming. Doesn't have to be perfect now. This will be your bottom, so don't worry about it.
I'm gonna come in here, make this really smooth for us.
So just let it sit for about 5 minutes at room temperature, and then we're gonna flip it over. It's been 5 minutes and we're ready to flip.
Grab
First,
a
we're gonna
cutting board,
put-
place it on top, and then just pick up this whole thing. I'll help you. Ready? Put your hand here,
Okay.
and then we'll flip
Which
it.
way are you going? This
Towards
way?
me.
Towards you?
Which way are you going? You going this way? You want to go this way? We can
No,
go that way.
towards us.
Towards us.
Okay.
Okay.
1,
okay.
2,
okay.
3,
Flip.
flip.
There we go.
We did it.
So good at this. So coordinated.
All
All right.
It's gorgeous.
I've got some more melted chocolate and some chocolate little sprinkles here.
I'll be in charge of these.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna scoop this on really quickly because I'm the quicker one.
You are
with
fast
this.
at that. I'm gonna let you do that.
I do mean that, or you're just making up for calling me slow earlier.
I mean it, but do hurry.
But do hurry. I mean it, but do hurry. Okay, here we go, Let
Okay.
me get in here.
Oh, look at, ooh, you're so speedy.
Yeah, I'll
You're
get
doing
speed.
so
See, I
good.
can go fast sometimes.
You're doing so good.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Okay,
Ready?
just do that, and I'll clean my sleeve.
And here we have it.
Ta-da! This is looking good. Now we're gonna let it set again for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna cut the edges and cut these into cute little squares.
You want your chocolate to be partially set. You don't want it to be rock hard, but you don't want it to be sticky either.
Right. You want to get your steps in?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, well,
I'll
5
see you in
minutes
a little bit.
is perfect amount of time. Let's
Okay.
just get some steps in right here.
All
Mom.
right, let's go.
Mom's literally left. Well, you're marching. What is the marching for?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. The cake has set, and now we're gonna cut the edges to make it nice and clean because we want to see all those beautiful colors. So Momma Mia has got a sharp knife. So are you ready?
I am.
Okay.
Batter's up.
No. So just cut off a thin edge. You got it.
Okay.
Like
here
you're
we go.
cutting crusts off of a sandwich, like a
Yep,
peanut butter
jelly
sandwich.
sandwich.
Yeah, just cut that off. Go all the way down. Push all the way down. Be careful. You want to use a really sharp cutting knife. This one's real
Ooh,
sharp
look at that.
too. Yeah, just put your scraps over there. We'll save them
This
for
is
later.
awesome.
And you want to wipe down your knife in between each cut so you get a really clean edge. And you can stack them either way. You can do green on the top or red on the top. Both ways are correct. Okay, here we go. I'm going to cut off my side. Oh, look,
Oh,
gorgeous.
isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness.
Oh, look at that. Mom, just be careful. Don't cut your hand. Nice, nice. Throw it over there. Oh, it's beautiful. Look how pretty.
Well, I'm having a taste. I can't wait.
Okay. Can you taste the almond? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's hitting the spot? Mm-hmm. Yes. All right, well, you're snacking. I'm going to cut the rest of these into cute little squares.
Okay.
Oh.
They look so good.
Now I'm gonna toss a bunch of them on a plate so we can better see them. Ta-da! Here are the Italian rainbow cookies that we made today. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Again, I'll be putting all of the ingredients and measurements in the description down below. So if you want to do this recipe at home, you can. Also, let us know in the comments if you like seeing Momma Mia and if you'd like us to make some more Italian recipes from our family. All right,
ready?
cheers, Chin Chin.
Cheers.
Okay.
Delicious.
I know, isn't it?
I've waited so long for this.
All right, that does it for the recipe. A big thank you to Momma Mia for helping me bake today. Thanks, Mom.
Oh,
This was really fun. I loved it. Even though I'm a slow baker, Momma Mia still puts up
Oh,
with
you
me.
did great. You did great.
If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, it's free, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other ideas of anything you'd like to see us bake, any Italian recipes as well, because we have a bunch of them, and you didn't digitize them.
No,
They're all on note cards, you guys.
I just have
Real
one
excited.
more thing to say, Rosanna.
Okay, what is it?
Batter's up.
And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here.
Or up here.
Nice job. Okay, bye you guys.
Bye, everyone. Batter's up.